Hello friends, today I will tell you scope of homeopathy in sinusitis. Waking up with a headache and on top of it a blocked nose is a rough start of a day. If this becomes a routine occurrence and even the face hurts with a general heaviness in the head, it's a medical condition called sinusitis. The homeopathy mode of treatment can completely cure sinusitis, though it takes time. The homeopathy remedies for sinus infections are made up of natural substance and have a zero side effects, which rebuild the body's immunity to sinusitis. But first of all, we must know about the sinusitis. Sinusitis is an inflammation or infection of one or more of the sinus. A sinus is a hollow air space in the skull. These are also known as a paranasal sinus since they surrounded the nasal cavity. The paranasal sinus include frontal sinus over the eyes in the brow area, which you can see in picture. Maxillary sinus inside the cheekbone. Ethmoid sinus just behind the bridge of the nose and between the eyes. Sphenoid sinus behind the ethmoid in the upper region of the nose and behind the eyes. Sinusitis can be classified based on the duration into first, acute sinusitis, second, chronic sinusitis, and the third, recurrent sinusitis. The common causes of this condition include virus, bacteria, fungus, excessive nose blowing, foreign objects in nostrils, especially in children, scuba diving, side effect of certain drugs, tooth carings, allergies. The common symptoms of sinusitis include nasal congestion and discharge that may be yellowish or greenish, cough with the production of mucus, discharge from the back of the nose into throat, bad breath, reduced sense of smell or taste, headache, toothache, pain in the region of the affected sinus. See the illustration on sinus. Fever, tiredness, weakness. Drink plenty of water to help flush the virus out of your system. Make sure you are adequately hydrated. No doubts, steam inhalation, using the steam to open the passages in the nose can help to relieve the sinus pressure. It gives some relief in sinusitis symptoms. Let us see how homeopathy can help to treat sinusitis. Actually, what needs to be treated in sinusitis is not only the acute infection or inflammation, but also the inherent tendency to have a sinusitis repeatedly. The individual tendency to frequent upper respiratory infections or sinusitis can best be treated with homeopathic approach of individualized treatment. Recurring sinusitis finds a wonderful treatment with homeopathy. Homeopathy treats acute infection as well as the tendency to have an infection or allergies. It is almost always possible to avoid modern medicines like antibiotics and sinus surgery if one adapts the homeopathic alternative. Homeopathy is a strongly suggested for sinusitis. So my dear friends, I hope you enjoy my video about the information of disease. Then do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay healthy. Thank you.